Jersey number 34, dribbling the ball. Jersey number 24, Chumakuko pass to jersey number. Steal by jersey number 3. Aguinaldo pass to jersey number 8. Aguinaldo dribbling the ball. Tumira na good. Nakapalag foul kami with jersey number 11. Jersey number 11, previous personal foul and second team foul. Two shots for jersey number 8. There's twice, no good. Second and last one for jersey number 8 is no good.
Entering Dawson.
Another try for jersey number 8 is good. Ball na lang jersey number 6 pass jersey number 34. Chumakuko. Jersey number 24 dribbling the ball. 15 seconds shot up. Jersey number 24. 10 seconds shot clock. Jersey number 34. 2 minutes shot to Mira, no good. Grabe ba ni jersey number? Grabe ni jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, agad-agad magmamadala yung jersey number 8. Pass jersey number 7, Barra, no good. Jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 6 request. Jersey number 6 request dribbling the ball. 10 seconds to shoot. Sumubok ng tres na good na ako jersey number 7. Jersey number 7 para go dribbling the ball. Pass jersey number 20. Hit for 2. Jersey number 2. Jersey number 2 dribbling the ball. Pass jersey number 4. Chumakuko. Reserve tayo ng tropa. Wala na daw po pala. Jersey number 24. 10 seconds shot up. Jersey number 24. Look way up, no good. Jersey number 7. Jersey number 7. Dribble the ball from the red, back from the left. Jersey number 7. Pass jersey number 3. Buhay ang bola. 15 seconds shot up. Jersey number 3 ay bigyan na mga good. Exactly 1 minute to play. Jersey number 23 dribbling the ball. Jersey number 24, Chumakuko, 15 seconds shot up. Jersey number 24. Nasa kanya rin na bola. 10 seconds shot up. Chumakuko, tumira, no good. Dari ko jersey number 7. Jersey number 7, pass jersey number 3, pass jersey number 8. Jersey number 8, Aguinaldo, dribble the ball. Dari ko shot, tumira, no good. Dari ko jersey number 20. Jersey number 20, tumira lahat. Dari ko, 13. Jersey number 23, last shooting the ball. Wrong chase, no good. Now you're going to jersey number 2. 2-2 by jersey number 2. Wala na po tayo yung shot up buzzer na yan. 10 seconds to shoot. Jersey number 27, big guard. Going over with the side. Same ball. 7.2 seconds to play. Jersey number 7, pass jersey number 3. Adriano dribbling the ball. 5 seconds to shoot. Pass jersey number 7. End of our second quarter. Score po natin 46-33 naman.
46-33, 13-point lead by Roca.